My name is Ana Morel Saruski. I was born in San Juan, Puerto Rico, and I'm based in Miami, but I represent clients statewide. I received my law degree from the University of Miami School of Law, and I've been licensed by the Florida Bar since 1991. I've been working at Minster Sarowitz since May of 2013, and I have worked as a defense attorney most of my career, initially practicing in the medical malpractice defense field. I'm also a certified circuit civil mediator since 2002, and I have mediated all types of civil cases. The majority of my cases at the present time involve the defense of retail and restaurant establishments in personal injury accident cases, but I also practice in the field of automobile accident defense, medical malpractice defense, negligent security, and also in the defense of social services organizations. I don't have a favorite case because when I receive a case from a client, I treat every case as my favorite and every client is the most important client. And that's really has been the focus of my practice, is to treat all of my cases as favorites. My greatest accomplishments throughout my career would be every time I have successfully resolved a case, either at mediation or at trial for my clients when the exposure and the stakes are high. One case that comes to mind was a trial where the allegedly injured person asked the jury for $2 million in damages for 2 knee surgeries, where we denied liability, but the plaintiff was claiming that she was not able to walk more than a block, and her attorney at closing referred to the plaintiff's body as a torture chamber. So we had previously done surveillance on the plaintiff, and we had seen her walking about a mile to a gym close to her house, and then taking a Pilates class and a spin class, and then walking back home. And showing that video and seeing the faces of the jurors when they see and they discover that the plaintiff is not being truthful was like a huge career accomplishment. And that, I believe, was a big part of the reasons why we prevailed and we got a defense verdict. And a defense verdict is always a great accomplishment in an attorney's career, but something that also gives me a lot of satisfaction is resolving cases through mediation and negotiating settlements in matters that in the client's best interest should be resolved. I like to help people resolve their conflicts. I enjoy interacting with clients and helping them navigate the litigation process. For example, when a large retail store is sued, its employees are usually unfamiliar with the process of giving a deposition or giving testimony at trial, and I enjoy the aspect of advising the clients and their employees. I like the cultural diversity of Miami Beach and Miami in general and South Florida, and the ability that it gives me to interact with people of many different backgrounds. But what I love the most about Miami Beach is living close to the ocean. I have a rescue dog named Lola. She's an 11-year-old mixed terrier, and she's my first dog ever. She's stolen my heart, and I use every opportunity that I can to talk about her. I have 2 adult children with special needs, and I am an active member of the Charge Syndrome Foundation, and in the past I've served as a parent liaison and have translated from Spanish to English for Spanish-speaking families who were seeking information. I'm also involved, and the firm is also involved with the De Moya Foundation, which is a nonprofit organization in South Florida that provides supported employment for young adults with intellectual disabilities.